Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning's Atlantic Basin Tropical Update. So after a brief lull in activity, the Atlantic Basin is waking up again as we have a disturbance off of the coast of Africa around the Cape Verde Islands with a 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days and a 30% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours. And taking a look at model guidance on the system, the GFS model develops this system quickly into a tropical depression and tropical storm as we go into Saturday, September the 6th, moves it west at first, but then curves to the northwest as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, September the 10th and the 11th, well north of the Lesser Antilles, southeast of Bermuda. The GFS gets this system very close to Bermuda as we go into Friday, September the 12th, as a major hurricane. This would be a tropical storm, or at this point, Hurricane Gabrielle, as we go into Friday, September the 12th, about 10 days out before curving away and out to sea, not impacting any land in the GFS solution. Taking a look at the European model solution, the European model is a lot weaker on a future Gabrielle, not really seeing any development until we get to Wednesday, September the 10th, as we see a tropical depression much further south and west to the east of the Lesser Antilles. We see future Gabrielle become potentially a tropical storm as we go into Friday, September the 12th in the European model solution, starting to curve north and northeast of the Lesser Antilles. And then, even in the European model solution, we see a hurricane as we go into Saturday and Sunday, September 14th, September 15th. This one also gets closer to Bermuda, this time around September the 17th. This is way out there. So, just taking a look at model guidance early on, Category 2 hurricane southeast of Bermuda in the European solution about 15 days out. And then taking a look at our Canadian model solution, we're going to start on Tuesday, September the 9th with a tropical storm well northeast of the Lesser Antilles in the Canadian solution. Canadian also brings future Gabrielle close to Bermuda as we go into Friday, September the 12th. So we're going to be watching future Gabrielle for a while as we're going to be tracking hurricanes throughout the peak of hurricane season. So thanks for watching today's Atlantic Basin Tropical Update. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.